31 July 2026 was a huge success. Nzalabena Mashugobranyo Gopangwa Inoi, na Professor Love Momaduku, Wadonot is one of the people, Wadonot they encouraged people to go and protest and petition in our streets. Bakwa Inoi calling out now what's about constitutional amendments, but the Constitutional Amendment Act, Yakaito Pangwa Inoi, it against the will of the people. Pangwa Inoi, Achiti, people were supposed, Pangwa Inoi, could find a referendum, but that was avoided by the regime. Zarabina Mashkono Bashtogo Pangwa Inoi after my 1st July 2026 planned protest. It was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Adukam Danjira Chiti. 31 July 2026 was a huge success in the hearts and minds of the majority of the people. Its purpose was to send the following message to the regime. Peacefully, no to the 2030 Cap 3 Constitutional Amendment 3 agenda. The reaction of the regime told it all. They got the message. They do not like the message. They are prepared to assault, torture, imprison, and kill in a bid to suppress the message that will the message, and they will misuse state resources to fund operation. We are not deterred. We remain determined. Now that 1 July was an initiative of others, which we supported, we are now organizing our own peaceful actions to continue with the same message. No to the 2030 Cap 3 CAA 3 agenda. I have to remind all that we have two strategies: legal battles in the courts and peaceful political actions. The courts will hear us soon. Peaceful political actions are continuing. Constitutional Amendment 3 will be reversed. We will win. Thomas Kwamreto Pangwa Ine na Professor Lavu Matuku. But Zama Fungur Aimot will leave absorb these developments. Majida Iowa, they will be reversed these amendments. Now, the section of Fungur Ainu, who's on subscribe or like, or join on the BOI icon.